clear tonight.
So clear, yeah, through most of the Willamette Valley. High pressure's in place. It really let things warm up today, too. But I want to show a couple photos of the full corn moon that were sent in to us. So why don't we take that? This is down in Corvallis from Debbie Miller. A beautiful shot. You can't miss the full moon tonight. I mean, even with the trees and the light, I mean, it's just right there. Notice, though, there may be some thin cloud coverage around parts of the valley, but overall it should be a mostly clear night. How about the silhouette of Mount Hood here? A photo sent in from Pat of the full moon also there. So just great shots. I posted a few on social media. If you want to go ahead and share your photos, I always appreciate that. And you can also go to our website as well. High pressure here just off towards the west. It's going to remain kind of perched over the Pacific Northwest, not going to move, not going to budge. And that's going to keep things pretty stagnant over the next couple of days. Kind of routine, same sort of forecast over and over through the week, and it's going to be hot. High pressure, again, leaving the clouds to the north of us. It's kind of steering everything away from us, so we won't be dealing with that. But we do have that smoke out there, and so we have still the local wildfires. We were talking about the Sweet Creek fire, and we had the White River fire. We had the little cluster that's been burning here in central Oregon through the Cascades. That's where the heaviest of the smoke is going to be, and then down towards California. It mainly stays there for Wednesday, but I am watching heading into Thursday where we may see some wildfire smoke try to push into the Willamette Valley from the south. Look at that as it does approach us by late Thursday night. So we'll be tapped in with the Oregon DQ to see how the air quality ends up going up or down as that smoke does arrive, and we'll keep an eye on that. They might also keep the temperatures down just a little bit. We'll see. All right, so for our day planner on Wednesday, I have us at 88 degrees in the valley as well as the gorge, some 90s off towards the east. The average is 79. We should be going the other direction, folks. This is a warm start to our September. It's 93 for our Thursday. We'll be pushing by the mid-90s by Sunday and into Monday, all because of this massive ridge of high pressure that actually builds and gets a little bit stronger, you could say. On Monday, look at it, it extends all the way to the Gulf of Alaska, so this isn't going anywhere. We do have meteorological fall starting today, but it doesn't feel like it. By the time we wrap up the month of September, we'll be at 71 for our average high. Watch what happens by the time we get into November, 48. All right, take advantage of the heat, bask in it. 91 degrees on Friday, 90 on Saturday, as I mentioned. We haven't had measurable rain in 11 days, August 21st. I think we might go another 7+ days without rain, Jeff.
And Joseph, to have a heat wave like that for that many days in September, early September, that's pretty rare around here.
Yeah, we didn't have one 90-degree day last year, and we just had one in 2018, so it doesn't happen often.
Yeah, all right. Well, still ahead of thrilling